beautiful people. Welcome back to actually a really beautiful night. It's a little chilly, but I know we have a lot of rain coming tomorrow, so I'm enjoying the dry weather while we have it. Tonight we're going to be doing something I'm looking forward to. This is a great big 36 by 36 inch gallery wrap canvas from Artists Loft. That is my favorite size to work on. I love this big negative empty space to just play and create and have fun on. It's my favorite thing ever. So that's a 36 by 36. I have taped and pinned the back, and I have painted my sides and edges. So let's show you the colors because they're really pretty tonight. I love these. The first one we're using is Golden's Prussian Blue, one of my absolute favorites. Nice and deep and bold and very regal, gorgeous. Creates beautiful shadows, lots of depth. This one is Golden's also. This is Turquoise Pthalo, which is probably my favorite color. I really love this. Like, I just opened the tub and I was like, oh, happiness in a cup. There you go. Turquoise Pthalo from Golden. This one is another one of my new favorites. This one is Algae from This Little Piggy Pigments, and it is gorgeous and shimmery and sparkling and amazing, and does this really beautiful color shifty thing that I am kind of in love with. So this is Algae from This Little Piggy Pigments. You can find all their paints as well as my wonderful Fiona's modular split cup on their website at www.fluid-art.co. So we also have some Chromacryl white, which is the Poofacryl. That beautiful cloud maker, poofy maker that I'm currently enjoying very, very much.
Poof in a cup.
This one is my Amsterdam Pearl Yellow, which is another favorite of mine. Not just for the color that it is by itself, but for also what it does to other colors and how it shifts and changes them. Really gorgeous stuff. And this one is my DecoArt Americana Decor Metallics in 24 karat gold. My beautiful showgirl. I love that. Okay, so what we're going to do for that size canvas, we need about 46 ounces of paint. We're going to take 3 16-ounce cups, and we're going to layer them, and then I'm going to pour them, and then we're going to go around it with a flow extender, and then we're going to stretch it out. So I'm going to start with just a tiny bit of gold at the bottom, and I mean really tiny. Just a little bit. Okay. Now we're going to put some of the pearl yellow in there. And we're going to layer these. Okay. Now we're going to come in with our Prussian Blue. We're going to do a bigger layer of the Prussian. Now, the Algae. I love this color. It is so beautiful. Really gorgeous. Okay. Okay, and we're going to use our Phthalo Turquoise. I was always taught that you put piggies in between two opaque colors so that it really makes them shimmer and pop and sparkle. We're going to put a little bit of Chromacryl white on the other side of that. Now we're going to do that one more time. A little bit of gold. A little bit of pearl yellow. Prussian. Some Algae. Let's just use it up. Okay. Some turquoise. I think this is going to be so pretty. I can't wait. I'm so excited. Okay, so I do have a couple drips here to use. And I actually added a little bit of the Prussian Blue to this to deepen it. So it's pretty cool. And I have another cup full of pearl yellow there that I'm going to use in a second. But first we're going to put, let's see, yeah, we're going to put a big puddle of this down. And we're going to put some of the pearl yellow down that we're going to pour into. Alright. Are you ready, husband of awesomeness?
Yes, my love.
Let's start this first real quick. Okay. Alright. Alright. Are you ready, husband of awesomeness?
Yes, my love. Je suis prêt.
Here we go. We're going to start about over here. Here we go. And the gold tells me that we're at the bottom of the cup, so that's fine. And we're going to go with this one. I'm actually going to turn the canvas. It's very pretty. I'm happy with that. Okay, we're going to kind of start where I ended with that one. Are you ready, darling?
Yes, my love.
Here we go. Two. It's cool. I don't know if I like that or not. Do you like that?
Tough to say at this point.
Okay. One last cup. Okay. Okay. We're going to start over here where we ended that last one. Are you ready, darling?
Yes.
Here we go. Okay. Well, that's kind of neat.
That last part looked really different.
Well, I was trying to get it up higher, so.
Looks poofy.
Well, that's the Poof-a-Krill.
Extra poofy.
Very accurate name, Poof-a-Krill. Okay. These. We'll go around this with a little bit more of our pearl yellow on this side. Our flow extender, we're going to put some on our corners first. Let's tilt this out. Okay. I'm going to take this down this way first. Walk it down nice and slow. Still kind of rolling over itself a little. That'll be all right. Actually, I want to go this way first. It's interesting. I like that curve that's happening down there, and we've got purple. Probably the pearl yellow and the Prussian, but it's a cool purple that I really like, and the algae is in there too. So I think this is going to be awesome. I don't know if I like this whole scenario. So let's see. Something. Where's the weight of the paint? Now we're just going to take this down off the bottom. What do you think of that hump there?
Well, I like it. I like the way it switches back.
Yeah.
But you don't like it?
No, I do like that part. I'm not sure I love that though, but I think I do. It's kind of neat. I really like this a lot. I think what's throwing me is right in here, because I'm seeing a lot of the pearl yellow and it's kind of looking silvery, but I actually really like this. I love what's happening in these areas with the darker Prussian and that purple. That's the secondary or tertiary color you were making fun of me for.
I'm not making fun of you.
It's cool though. I just don't, there's something about that edge. I like it though. I just feel like we need to take it down a little bit more. See if we can't make some cool composition out of that edge that's bothering me. Okay, I like that better. What do you think?
That's great.
Okay, so I'm pretty happy with this. I love what happened with the colors. I think they're all really, really pretty, and I love that purpley tone that we've created with the pearl yellow. I think that's awesome. So this is awesome. I will show you guys when it is dry. Thank you so much for hanging out with us tonight. We'll be right back. So this is a few days later, and it is now dry, in spite of all the rain. I'm very happy with this. I think it came out really, really beautiful. It's very soft, very peaceful, very relaxing. There's still a lot of movement and a lot of energy in this. And, of course, I'm loving the colors. Some of my favorites with that Prussian Blue and the Turquoise Pthalo and that algae. So pretty. You check out up here, first of all these cells coming from the algae in the center. Really, really cool. Beautiful stuff in here. And then this corner. Of course, you see a lot of that pearl yellow. And then when we go over this side, you can see all the algae blinging and sparkling and blinging and sparkling. It's really, really beautiful. So, very cool color. You can get algae at fluid-art.co, along with my amazing Fiona's modular split cup. So, this one came out really, really cool. I like this very, very much. I love the composition. I like the colors. I love those little cells, the algae in the center. Really, really beautiful stuff. So, I like the lines at the bottom. Nope, we have a penguin, which means we'll probably have a dog. Oh no, we have a frisbee. This is HOA's invention, to put a piece of folded duct tape on the frisbee so Daddy can pick it up, which is pretty cool. There he is. Can you get your frisbee? See, you can pick it up. Anyway, thank you so much for hanging out with us today. We really appreciate all of you. We'll see you real soon. Have a great day. Bye-bye.